really were not able to pay the remaining fee. And also at that time, I was not able to demand the fee. I was not like that. And moreover, when you are teaching and seeing people every day, and when you are having this face-to-face interaction, and when you are becoming friendly with students, it will be very, very difficult for anyone to demand the fee. Most of the people used to say that we are poor, and I used to give them discounts, and then most of the people ended up paying only 3,000 rupees. Now I had to pay the rent for the rest of the year. It was very, very difficult for me to pay the rent, and financially I have suffered a lot. And finally, by the end of the year, even though I got a lot of name in the place, I had to shut it down because I was not able to survive financially. Only fee I got was that 3,000 rupees, and the remaining thing I didn't plan. I didn't have any backup. Then I had to close down the institute, again go back to Bangalore, again search for a job, which I did. Again I got into Cisco. So fortunately I had this degree, right? So that gave me a lot of confidence to do all this. So when you have degree, I think you could risk to some extent. So again I was able to get back the job immediately in a week, and again I started earning money. But then that passion to teach was still there in me. So what I used to do was, I used to do teaching in the weekends. So every Saturday, Sunday I used to go to the institute and then teach. And then I was able to finally make some money, and that is how I was able to then I made a lot of mistakes. So if I start telling you everything, it will take a lot of time. So what I want you to understand from this is, you can follow your passion, follow your heart, but you will have a lot of time in your life to do that. Okay? First thing you should focus on is financial freedom. You should go to a place where you have enough financial support that you can work on your dreams. I don't know if you are getting it or not. If you ask me about what the financial freedom is, see, how much ever you love doing something, how much ever people are loving you doing it, if you are not able to earn money from it, you will not able to continue it. Because there are certain brutal facts of reality in life. You need to see, you are the sole breadwinner for your family, and you need to support your family. You can't tell your family that, see, photography is my hobby and I'm just going to take the wildlife photography because I love it and I want to follow it. You can't do that. That is madness. Why did you all get a master's degree in computer science if you want to become a photographer? Yes, if you want to do such things, do it as a part-time. You have Saturdays and Sundays, do it, or wake up in the morning or in the evenings, do it, but try to have a steady income until you are able to reach a point where your investments are going to give you returns which are going to cover your monthly expenses. Just remember that. Whatever stupid decision you want to take in your life, especially people of your age, they have this, they use this word passion as if it is a peanut, okay? So, and even the motivational speakers have become so popular in India that they start saying that, yes, do it, aap kar sakte ho, karo. That is really a wrong advice to give to an youngster, especially with all these raising hormones, okay? You are actually just, I don't want to use bad words here, okay? So, I hope you are getting the point, right? So, don't be mad, okay? Just calculate. Numbers are very important in life, okay? So, mathematics is very important. So, what I'm going to say is, know exactly what your monthly expenses are. Try to save that much amount in such a way that you are going to get the returns which will cover the monthly expenses, and then you go and follow your dream, right? See, I'm just 33 years old and now I'm retired. Are you getting this? Somehow luckily it happened. See, not every profession is like that. Even after doing so many mistakes, I failed many times in my life. See, I told you only one time where I failed, but after that 2 times again I failed. Again I broke down. I was literally on roads 3 times in my life. Literally on roads with a suitcase. Literally 3 times in my life. And somehow everything fell in place and worked out. And here I am standing today because I somehow am lucky to have been successful. But Just think about how many people might have tried all these things and how many people are not able to reach this position. And unfortunately, our society is, wired in such a way that only financial things are considered as successful. If you are not earning money, you are not successful. Yeah, they are not wrong in some sense. Are you getting this? Right? So if you want to take away something from my life, don't follow your passion blindly. You will have lot of time to do that. You need not actually go through all that stress and all this. You need not do that, right? See, now I am around 33 years, and I am financially free to do anything in my life. Now I have earned everything that I dreamed about, right? Everything I ever wanted, I bought them, I achieved them. Now I am literally retired. Okay, retired doesn't mean that you need not work. By retirement I mean to say that I need not work for money. See, there is a difference. Oh, you have to work, you want to work, you should work. Are you getting the difference? You work because you want to work, not because you should work. I don't know if it is too difficult for you to get it. See, are you getting it? There is something called as hybrid retirement, where you will follow your passion and you need not worry about the money. Think about that phase. If you can reach that state where you will be able to follow your passion without worrying about money, you will be able to do many things meaningful which you might not be able to do. For example, now, rest of my life I am going to dedicate myself in educating people about the financial management. That is very important thing in life. And the second thing is, I want to educate people about the health and fitness and food. I'm spending time learning about organic farming because that is all meaningful for me. I may not be able to earn money through organic farming, but it is meaningful for me because I'm adding value to others' lives, my life and other life, right? Now I still have a lot of time to do all these things. That is what I'm trying to tell you, right? Just take a job, earn money, save money, invest them, try to retire as early as possible. Probably, if not by 30s, you'll be able to retire by 40 years. Even if you retire by 40 years, you are going to have another 40 years to do all the work that you need or dream about. You are even going to be matured by that time, right? So your parents are not wrong, okay? Don't get angry if they try to tell you or force you to take up a job because you are not going to, get problems in your life. And outside world, especially the business world, is not as easy as possible, okay? So startups, you know about it, 96% of these startups fail in the first year. And out of the remaining startups, 99 of them fail in the first 5 years, right? Before starting up your own thing, there will always be ideas, there will always be time, there will always be opportunities. Don't think that this is the last opportunity and if you don't take it, everything is going to end. So take up a steady job, just do as your parents said, try to work till 35 or 40, and at that time, if you are okay, you can follow your passion and follow your dreams. Okay, thank you so much.